Hey guys, welcome to the 90-second C# tutorial that I'm making for the new Boston. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the ListView control a little bit more. So in the previous tutorials, I told you to make it so that users cannot select more than one item in the ListView. Well, we're going to be working with multiple items selected in the ListView today. So just go down to go over to the Properties menu for your ListView and scroll down until you see multi-select and make sure that's on true now. And we're also going to change the text in the context menu because it says get name of item. We actually want to get the name of multiple items. So we're just going to put a parenthesis with an S inside of it, so that symbolizes that there could be more than one item selected. So now we debug here just to make sure that we can select multiple items. Let's just test it. I'll add a few items here. So now when we hold down Control, we should be able to select this item as well. Or if we hold down Shift, it should work. Yep. Okay, so now let's just edit what code executes when you double click on this in the context menu. So currently we just get the first item that is selected, and you can tell because this is a 0. And this basically means the index of the selected items. And this works fine for when you only have one item selected, because it'll just get the first item in the collection. Well, if you have 2 or 3 items selected, then this will just go for the first item that you selected. So let's go ahead right here and see what happens, since you can select multiple items now. So now if we select both of these, we're only going to get DFG. Yeah, and not another one, because we only tell us to get the first item selected. If we wanted to get the second item selected, we just put a 1 there. Got another one. So now we should get ASDF, because that was the second item we selected. If we wanted to loop through or get all of the items that we have selected, we can use a for each statement. So we're going to do for each, and then I'll just create a new ListView item, call it LVI, in all the items that the user has selected in the ListView. So we're going to use the selected items property. So now it'll loop through every item that the user has selected in the ListView, and we're just going to have a message box to display the full name of that item. So we're going to do LVI.subItems, and since we're going to get the full name, we're just going to put 0 in here, because this one's 0, this one's 1, and this one's 2. So we're just going to put 0, and then we're going to use the text property to get the text of it. So now we have multiple, now when we have multiple items selected, we should get 2 message boxes if we select 2. So we should get one for FASDF and one for ASDF. Yep, and yeah, 2 message boxes. If we add another one, I'll rename this to something else like Adam. So now if we have all of these selected, we should get one for each. Yep. If we wanted to get the age, we would just put a 1 in here. We should get the age of the all the selected items. I'll also put an actual number in here this time. Now let's just select all 3 of them right here. We get 12, we should get 15, and 73. Yep. And you can do the same thing with the email. Just put a 2 here, and you get the email address of the persons or of the people selected. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial on dealing with multiple selected items. So see you guys.